TaxDome Client Academy. How to start using TaxDome as a client. Hello, this is Rick with TaxDome. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to start using the client portal where you can securely communicate with your accountant, exchange documents, pay your bills, and more. Your client TaxDome account is usually created for you by your accountant. You will only need to activate your account and create your password. To do this, open the invitation email you received from your firm and click on the Activate Account link. Then, type in your password. Enter it twice to confirm, and then click Submit. That's it. You can now use your portal. The sidebar will help you navigate through it easily. Documents is where you upload your documents or download the ones that were prepared for you. Messages is where you ask your accountant any questions or answer their requests. Organizers is where you answer a set of questions needed for preparing your documents. Bills and payments are where you pay your bills and review payments. Settings is where you add additional users to your account if you need to. To get access to your client portal in the future, you will need to sign in with your email and password. Simply navigate to your firm's TaxDome URL, then enter your credentials. Decide for how long you want to stay signed in. The default setting is 8 hours. However, you can choose to decrease your session to 4 hours or 30 minutes if you so choose. Then click Sign In. We allow using one email address for several client accounts. For example, an account for the organization you work in, a personal account, and so on. If you have access to 2 or more accounts, you can easily switch between them. During the session, you can switch between client accounts as many times as you like. And that's all for today. If you'd like to check out more helpful videos just like this, please be sure to check out our TaxDome YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us,